And you guys are our eyes and ears out there. We had several pictures coming in on Facebook, Twitter. Take a look at this one that was actually texted to me by Terry Kirkwood near Trinidad. That is a huge piece of hail, obviously in association with that same storm system that produced the tornado in Los Animas County. A very strong storm that continued to slide all the way across southern Colorado. A lot of hail out there to report today. Take a look at some of these hail reports that we had. Anywhere from just under 3-inch in diameter hail near Hasty. We saw near Yoder 2.5-inch in diameter hailstone falling from the sky near Schriever Air Force Base. We had a 1-inch in diameter hail. So a lot of strong storms producing that hail out there this afternoon and evening. Now we're still tracking a few storms along northern Pueblo County. We will continue to track those. They are not severe. We do not expect them to become severe, but along I-25 they are going to produce a quick shower there as they travel off toward the east. We are more concerned about what's headed our way tomorrow afternoon. That'll be around 4. We're going to see the clouds start to build through the day tomorrow. Then right around lunchtime is when those showers are going to start to pick up. Watch what happens into the afternoon, though. Very similar to what we had out there today. The storms are going to intensify, and tomorrow they look like they'll start to strengthen right along the I-25 corridor, slowly drifting off toward the east. This is a look at about 6 o'clock. Once they move into the plains, they will have that potential to become strong to severe, and then they'll continue making their way toward the Kansas border. You'll notice, though, that by tomorrow night, it's very possible we could still be tracking some thunderstorm activity into the first part of the night tomorrow. The biggest issue I see with the storms tomorrow, they're not going to be moving very quickly. What that means for you is if we do get a storm that sets up over the burn scars, could produce a lot of heavy rain for a long period of time. So flash flooding, a big concern tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep a very close eye on that through the day. Let's jump ahead to Sunday. Sunday morning, we'll start off with clouds, a few showers over the mountains, and then we do it again. Into the afternoon, we are expecting those thunderstorms to once again begin to pop up. During the mid-morning to early afternoon, they are going to develop and then slide toward the east, and it's through the late afternoon and evening hours when you start to see that yellow popping up. That SkyCast way of suggesting that there could be a few stronger storms once again, capable of producing heavy rain, large hail, gusty winds. We will continue to track Sunday very closely too. You'll notice that as we head into Sunday night, most of the activity will once again shift off toward our east. And then Sunday night into Monday morning, we'll finally start to see this weather pattern change. We're going to be in the 60s all weekend long. Monday, we'll see more sunshine, 74 degrees, so we'll start to gradually warm up. We're back in the mid-80s by Wednesday, and then we do it again. The thunderstorms will return by next Thursday, but we should get a break in the weather, a couple of nicer days to dry out just a bit, get a break from all of that severe weather. Pueblo tomorrow, 74 degrees. 73 on Sunday. If you are heading to boats, bands, and barbecues tomorrow, the morning should be great. The afternoon, though, bring an umbrella with you. You're likely going to be grabbing for that as the day moves on. Sunday, we'll have that chance for storms during the afternoon, too. And then check this out, 80s and 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. We drop it back into the 80s by Thursday. We bring back that chance for storms. Keep it in the forecast on Friday. Canyon City tomorrow, 72 degrees, 71 on Sunday. So a cool couple of days before we are back in the 70s Monday, upper 70s Monday, and then 80s on Tuesday, 90s then Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon, the clouds build ahead of our next storm system that will impact you by the late part of the work week next week. In Teller County, 60-degree temperatures over the weekend. Keep in mind when the storms travel overhead, it will get cooler than that. So we are going to see a cool couple of days for the weekend. Again, if you have to do something outside, you're going to want to do that in the morning. Now let's take a look at the bright side. Obviously, all of the rain, we don't like to see it on the burn scar, but it does really green things up and makes those pretty flowers. So grab your cameras, send us your storm pictures, but also send us the pictures of all of the beautiful flowers that hopefully did not get crunched under the hail today. Yeah. And send them to KRD, submit them to KRDO.com on Facebook. We have a contest link at the top of the page. We have $300 worth of prizes to Dutch Heritage Gardens for the first, second, and third place winners. So give us your flower pictures. They have to be Colorado flowers, so no sending us any hibiscus or anything like that. We'll know. But some great prizes on the line. It's a great opportunity to show off your...
you out.
Exactly. Yep, we have people
flower
for that.
Experts here.
Mm-hmm. That's the only flower I know that doesn't grow here for sure.
Thanks, Rachel.
Yeah.
Thanks, Rachel.
All right.